Hey guys, my name's Courtney. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the site PrizeRubble to earn daily money for yourself. Christmas is coming, so this is an awesome time to sign up. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell notification to get updates when I post new videos. Okay guys, let's get into it. PrizeRubble is one of the best sites that I use. I would say it's my #1 site. It's free to sign up. I'm signed in, and I'm going to go over what you do. You'll need to download your Google Chrome extension. At the bottom, you scroll down. Download your extension. Then you're going to want to go to engageme.tv. You're going to want to open 3 of these videos in separate windows and let them play in the background. Then you want to go to your HyperMX Daily and see if there's any. There might or might not be. Then you want to go to your Earn tab and you want to go to Surveys. Click on Tap. You want to complete all your tap surveys, and then when you're done with that, you want to do your surveys. Your surveys, when you do your profile, is completely geared towards you. Make sure in your profile you make $100,000 so you get qualified for more surveys. That's a tip, a hidden tip alert. So you're going to do 6 of these 80 surveys, and I'm going to tell you why. I am diamond level. Let's go over the levels. You'll start out as bronze. Then when you make $10, you'll go to silver. Then when you make $45, you'll go to gold. Then when you've made $100, you'll go to platinum. And then 160, you'll go to diamond. Diamond is the top level, guys. You want to get to diamond. When you get to gold, it's automatic prize processing, and you get special bonuses and prize discounts. Now let me show you what that means. And then we'll come back to your surveys. So if I go to rewards, this reward store is packed with everything you could think of. And think about it, guys. Christmas is coming up. This is a wonderful way for you to get some gift cards for people for free. Your Christmas list, my Christmas list when I started this last year, was completely taken care of. There's pages and pages and pages of gift cards. My favorite is PayPal. But you see, if I click on PayPal, you can set this as your reward goal, but it's 500 points. Now let me go back here and show you. If I wanted, we'll go to $1 to $5 rewards. If I wanted a $5 Amazon card, it's going to be 485 points. There's your prize discount, guys, because I'm a diamond level, so it gives me points off. You don't get points off of PayPal because of the fees. So you're going to set your reward goal, which is going to be on your home screen, and it's right here, okay? And I'm actually going to do a cash out for you guys right now. So you can click change goal. I'm going to do $5 in PayPal. You're going to say set reward goal. And it tells me that my goal has been reached. I can redeem it or I can dismiss it. I'm going to dismiss it for now. So for PayPal, you have to have at least 500 points for $5. Every 100 points is $1. So every morning when I get up, I already have my Google Chrome extension right here. I turn on my 3 engageme.me videos. I open 3 of these in a new window, 3 of these in 3 separate windows, excuse me. Then I go to the Hyper MX Daily. Usually I start earlier. The earlier you start, the more Hyper MX Daily videos there are. Then I go to my Prize Rebel home screen again, and I go to tap. I finish all my tap research, guys. Even if you don't qualify, you do get 2 cents each for each one you complete, even if you don't qualify. Then I go to your surveys, and I complete 6 of the 80-cent surveys. 6 times 80 is 480. When you run your videos, you'll get 20 cents, which will be your $5. And as you see here, I get $5.14. Now, I'm going to leave my link down in the description so you can join my team. Now, let me show you my referral stats, okay? So, I had 2 people click. I had 1 person click here. I had 4 people click here. I had 2 people sign up here, and I got 38 points from that. So my total was 38 points, the 1st through the 8th. But I have 13 people on my referral list, and I've made 0 points today, guys. So that means that I'm making $5 alone. Do not rely on your referrals. Yes, referrals are good, but you can make the money on your own. So let me show you my cash out history, my rewards history. $5, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5 Amazon, $5, $5, $5, $10, $5, $10, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5. Lifetime points, I've made $314.73 on this site, guys. It is legit. It does work. Here's more payments, $5 payments. Sometimes I did Amazon. And if you use my system, you will be cashing out every single day. So you'll never not have money in your wallet. So make sure that you sign up when you log in and you sign up for the website, use the same email address as your PayPal, so they can directly deposit into your PayPal. And I'll get automatic prize processing. So I want to show you now how we're going to cash out. I've claimed 51 rewards. I have 13 referrals that aren't doing anything today. And I've earned $4.89 this month so far. I earned 404 points yesterday, $4.04. And we're going to go to, also, if you get sick of surveys, you can go to the offer walls. There's awesome. I love Radium One. That's my go-to offer wall. I also do some offers. This, you clip and redeem 25 coupons. I just save it to my computer. I do not print it, guys, and it still registers. You can go through and do all of these. Your points will add up very quickly. So let's do a cash out. We're going to go to rewards. We're going to go to $5 PayPal. We're going to go to claim this item. Do you want to claim this prize? Yes, we do. Do you want to show it off? You can share if you would like. Twitter, Facebook, email, Messenger. Now it says your request has been sent to PayPal. It is currently being processed on PayPal's end. Please note that it may delay up to 30 minutes. It does not, guys. I get an email in 5 to 10 minutes that I have gotten my payment. And you see now I have 14 cents. So that was from yesterday that I made that. So now I need to make my next $5 for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I hope you like, share, subscribe, and press the bell notification to get notified of when I'm going to have new videos. I will upload several times a week of updates and how you can get your fastest way to get at least $5 a day, depending on if you duplicate what I just showed you and rinse and repeat, you can make $10, $15, $20 a day with this site. It's all up to you guys. I hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.